this is what the screen look like as well. In the next few minutes, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly first why you were restricted. Again, we're going to walk you through how you submit an appeal for the review the right way, what documents that Meta asks for, and how long it takes, and how the review is going to do smoothly. That is exactly what I'm going to walk you through in this very video. You have to understand what exactly Meta restricted you for, because there are 4 different levels and the fix is different for each one. The first level is your personal Facebook. Since you were restricted and you'll be able to log into Facebook, try it now by typing web.facebook.com. Try to log in. If it works, that means that is not what was restricted. The next one is developers.facebook.com. This one is the one we are talking about. Is it what was restricted? The third one is the business facebook.com. Okay, so this is the business aspect of it. Meta could also restrict specific app like an asset in your whole Facebook, or your WhatsApp number can get restricted. So what you need to do, you need to first check your regular Facebook. Can you access it? If it is working, then you need to check developer.facebook.com. okay, if you will see any restrictions in the where we talked about, and if that's the case, then each one has a different fix. That is why it's very important you understand this. So you click on this view details in business support. So once you do that, I'm going to show you a detailed reason, which could be policy reason, it could be related to suspicious activities, which are very common with new account. Let's talk about how you are going to go ahead to submit appeal after you have gotten a detailed view of why you had that suspension. So here, look at review category update in business support home, where you check what you are going to review for and the document you should submit for the review. So on the restricted detail panel, what you want to do, you want to go ahead to locate the what you can do. Now for the appeal, what you could do is that you could click request review. Very important, do not miss it up. Click on request review. So Meta is going to walk you through a short flow, and depending on your restriction reason, it will ask you for one or more of those things the way it's supposed to be. Okay, what do you do to make it to resolve all of that? About ID card identity, so you can upload any of this, okay, to Meta, and they are going to work on it. Secondly, business document. Okay, I've talked about business registration certificate, tax document, or utility bill. These are what you upload, and they are going to use those information to sort it out. I'll drop a sample in the description that you can always use to explain that your account have issues. You have this social app and it has been restricted. Just be specific, clear and concise, and before you send that upload, you could see after you do that, you could send that upload to Meta. Simple timeline basically takes around 24 to 72 hours. That's a fast decision. That means after that period, they could send that your account has been resolved. Okay, but if it's longer than that, if it's beyond 72 hours, Meta could ask you to re-upload those documents you entered before. Do not re-upload the same document, re-upload new ones actually. Then if that doesn't work, then the final thing is that they will not give you any option to your re-upload. Sorry, at that point, that means you can no longer do anything about it. So that is how it works. Actually click on the video that's displaying on your screen right now. You can see how to create your Meta developer account, step-by-step guide. Click on it, watch the video. Right, I'll see you right